In this video, I'll detail how to turn on or turn off music share on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you want to share your Samsung Galaxy phone with all connected devices, then this video is going to walk you through. So instead of using a single device connected to your Samsung device to have access to the music you are sharing in your Samsung device, you can enable music share in your Samsung phone to share this across all devices. So if I don't know this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do when you want to turn on or turn off music share or Samsung device is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down and click on connected devices. Then locate music share and just turn this on to turn on music share. Now to configure music share on your Samsung device, click on music share itself. Then here you have access to share devices with, is it contact only or everyone? Then you'll be prompted to select ask permission to connect every time or don't ask. If you trust all these devices you want to add to your Samsung phone music share, make sure you select don't ask so that your Samsung phone can share the music automatically. Then come down to where you say disconnect when nothing is played. Then you want to disconnect for 5 minutes or disconnect up to 30 minutes. And if you don't want to disconnect at all, tap do not disconnect. However, here are the devices you can share your music share with on your Samsung Galaxy device. I have my AirPod Pro and I have my PC. So here, if you have all this disabled, to share your music with all these devices, all you just need to do is turn this on and then turn on the device. So that's all you need to do to turn on or turn off music share on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.